I'll pull out the hard drive just so it doesn't prompt for the password on it. Disk. You can see the motherboard expects to have a hard disk. It's not quite that old. So it does look like it has the mentioned CDROM.SYS you mentioned, I think it was. Let's boot with it. I think this is fun, but I can see the speed not being something to be missed. I don't mind waiting, but I guess this is a recovery disk. It's just a random birthday sticker, by the way. That the computer wasn't a gift. The computer was free, actually. It's my sister's computer with my dad's keyboard installed inside. My sister absolutely destroyed that keyboard. Anyway, yeah. Was this the command? Ah, okay. This is a MS Edit, which Microsoft did actually make a remake of it. So this is what they made a remake of. No shutdown command. I tried. This is how you shut things down. Beep. That's all you need.